darker times. They're telling bold and heavy lies.
There's something about sitting here watching the sunrise. PB was the first beach I ever visited when I moved to San Diego. I remember not knowing how I was going to make it out here. I didn't even have a job lined up. If you would have told me a year ago where I'd be at now, I probably wouldn't have believed you. One minute you're riding a wave, and the next minute you're sort of just paddling. I guess that's what makes life so precious. I'm convinced no one really ever figures it out. We're all just a bunch of kids that never really stopped growing. I'm definitely not the only person this sunrise speaks to. For now, I'm going to continue enjoying the little things, playing with cameras, shredding down a mountain, and spending time with my better half. Until next week, my friends.
The whole wild world of his. She's got the whole